Hi everyone, it's Misty here. I'm a design team member for StampAnniething.com and I'd like to welcome you to day 2 of the previews for the September 2022 release. If you missed it, yesterday we posted day 1 and we met Mel, who likes to get naughty on a cruise ship. And today we're going to meet his counterpart, Julie. And this is Julie, Let Your Dreams Set Sail. So you have a fun stamp of Julie. She has great hair. That's going to be so much fun to color. She's got a little clipboard. She's meaning business. And her sentiments are let your dreams set sail. It's your birthday and time to sail a break. I love the puns. They're so fun. And then here is her coordinating outline die. And as I mentioned yesterday, be sure to check out Stamp Club. We've got a stencil club. We've got grab and go boxes. We have all the things that you need in your life listed in the description box down below. So if you haven't already, be sure to check out these design team samples. Check out them from yesterday as well. I'll be back tomorrow for the third and final day of this month's previews. Also, don't forget to check out the Facebook group where you will see more from the design team. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Ring your notification bells. You will find links to everything in the description box down below. And I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Bye for now.